Then we come to the throat chakra, which is one of my favorites and one of the most difficult to transcend because it is literally a bridge between heaven and earth. It is known as the abyss before entering the kingdom of God. Sometimes, when we are going through what we call the dark night of the soul, it is this chakra which is getting activated. And the age for its activation is 28 to 35. And that is also the age when we astrologically have our Saturn return. So, a lot of life lessons come on the surface, a lot of our subconscious stuff comes on the surface. If we are aware, we can actually grow a lot at this phase. This chakra holds a lot of our subconscious junk, things which we don't express but feel. It also holds a lot of memories and thoughts from past lifetimes which start opening up as we are ready to grow and evolve. Up to the heart center, most of us evolve as we are conditioned to being kind and loving, and we all feel love for at least our near and dear ones. So, to an extent, your heart chakra gets activated. The throat chakra is where all our suppressed emotions and thoughts lie, and this gets balanced when all our interactions can come from a place of purity, honesty, and being genuine with ourselves as well as with the world, which means first understanding where our thoughts and emotions are arising from, what we really want and what we don't, and how to express our not so nice feelings with love and kindness, which is the heart center's job. See how healing one helps the other evolve. There is a saying which I really like by Master Choa Kok Sui. He says, unclean food dirties the body, but unkind words soil the soul. Our words are powerful, and thus purity in thoughts and words is essential to overcome the limitations of this center. When we cannot express our truth freely or remain quiet for the fear of being misunderstood or unaccepted, we block the flow of energy to this center and can cause long term illnesses. Guilt is one of those subconscious and hidden energies that really affects us a lot of aspects in our life, which are very difficult to become aware of because guilt is one of those vices which have been turned into a virtue. The society guilts you into doing things that you don't want to do. In any case, if you're doing things which are not from the heart, they're not going to land the same way with the other person. So it's really not worth guilting yourself to do something. This energy needs to be dealt in a conscious manner in this space. Journaling is an excellent practice to help us understand ourselves and also express the truth in a safe way, bringing clarity in our life. Humming, ujjayi breath, and toning are other practices that can really help bring the subconscious things on the surface.